What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove permanent marker off of a plastic tote using just sunscreen. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray it on there and you'll let it sit for a couple seconds. And this could take multiple coats, so we'll go ahead and do our second coat now. And as you see, we leave it there a couple seconds. It's starting to drip a little more. I'm going to go ahead and do one more coat here just to see it all completely come off. All right, and that is completely off for you. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.